Careful, man.
Okay.
Yeah, it is childish, my deal.
Yeah.
I'm not going crazy then. Me and your mama.
I just gotta whip some.
So this is the food.
They're gonna put the food on there.
Y'all know where you're going? Hey guys, that's
I don't think I'm ever going to be appeased by any other restaurant ever again.
Yeah, no more chicken chunks.
All right, now stop. Now you're talking crazy. Chicken chunks are amazing.
So you buy a Taco Bell.
Quantity,
That's why I
though.
asked Victor if he eats more
I think I know why he waits days between meals. This or nothing else compares.
It is. Yeah, it's gonna be. Oh, you were right.
Dessert here. You have maple spears, big jelly donuts, upside down with carrot cake, snow of carrot and mace, little caterpillars of ginger, pomegranate, coffee emulsion, vanilla, little peanut brittle on here as well, and the center of the cake is cranberry and white chocolate. It's all edible except for the plate that it's on. Just be careful because everything is very sticky. Just wash your sleeves, all that kind of stuff.
Thank you.